Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I will revise Module 1 questions which we already practiced in class. Same time, same level, only the numbers are changed. Make sure you have a notebook and pen or iPad ready because I will solve each question step by step. And the PDF of today's revision question I will put as a link in the description box. You can download and practice again after watching the video. Let's start Math 001 Module 1 revision. Determine which numbers in the set are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Natural numbers. Let us start. So this is square root of 8 minus 9, 0, 7 and look here this is 4.5 minus 2, 12 and 5 by 2. Right. What are natural numbers? You all know very well. It is 7 and 12 are natural numbers. Whole numbers 0, 7, 12. Integers. What do you mean by integers? The natural numbers, whole numbers plus negative terms. What are they? You will get minus 9, 0, 7 and minus 2 and 12 are integers. Next is rational numbers. Rational numbers are including all these things minus 9, 0, 7, 4.5 is a decimal. Keep in your mind, decimals are rational numbers. And then minus 2 and then 12 and the fraction also rational numbers which is 5 and 12. So 5 by 12 is also rational numbers. Clear? And then irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is square root pi e. We used to tell. So what is the only one number which is a square root of 8. So in this way, we are going to classify the numbers according to their situations. What is that? Natural, whole, integers, rational and irrational. Let's go to the next question. Sketch the subset. You are going to sketch on the real number line for the interval minus infinity comma 5. State whether the subset is bounded or unbounded. And also use inequality notation and interval notation, right? Inequality notation and what? Interval notation to describe the sets. Yes. What do you mean by question? The question is minus infinity comma 5, right? So the first question is what? Sketch. So we are going to draw the line. Yes. I'm going to draw the line and this is the number 5. I told you just put 0 also. And this is negative infinity and this is positive infinity. And minus infinity comma 5, it means this is, look at the bracket here. The bracket is an open bracket, right? So you're going to put open bracket. Can we put bracket for infinity? No way. So we are going to take all these things which are cross lines, right? So this is the sketch. The second one is the set is bounded or unbounded. The door is closed here. Is the door is closed here infinity? No. So we are going to say it's what? Unbounded set, right? Use inequality notations. What do you mean by inequality? Less than or equal to, more than or equal to. This is called inequality notation. So look here, this is 5 less than. So we're going to write x less than 5, right? The next is what? Interval notation they are asking in the same question, interval. What do you mean by interval? Interval means this one, this one, this one and this one. This is called interval notation. Interval notation already given in the question which is minus infinity comma 5. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. X is at least. I taught already in the class at least and at most. I hope you remember. At least is what? More than or equal to. At most is what? Less than or equal to. Remember? Right. X is at least 8 and at most 20. I told you in the class, put the smaller number on the left hand side and the bigger number on the right hand side. So put x in the middle. X is at least 8. So x is at least 8 means the mouth open should be towards x because what? More than. And the next is what? At most 20 means x is less than or equal to what? 20. So the number 20 is, the mouth is open on the 20 side. So how we are going to put it? You're going to put it like this and you're going to put it like this. Look here, x is, mouth is open towards when the number 8 comes. And the number is open here what? To the 20, right? So this is called inequality notation. And interval notation also they are asking. This is called inequality notation. Clear everybody? Right. The next we are going to use what? Interval notation. Just now I told you what is inequality and interval. Yes. There is a less than or equal to. Can you see? There is a less than or equal to. You can see. That means you are going to open this bracket. Clear? Right. So what type of brackets you're going to use? And then you're going to put the number 8, 20. Because here you have this one and this one. So this is closed bracket. You should use it. Right? It's clear? Very simple. So the English words are very, very important, which is inequality notation and interval notation. The distance. The next word is what? Distance. Usually for distance, we are using absolute value. Keep in your mind. Distance between x and 7. I told you in the class, distance always calculated using absolute value. And you're going to find the distance between Yanbu and Jeddah. Remember? So we are going to put minus. So the distance between what? X and 7. Right. Is no more than. No more than. No more than means what? Less than or equal to. Right. So no more than, less than or equal to 4. Clear? No more than. Another word is at most. I hope you remember. No more than is equal to at most. All these English words I gave you as one shot in the channel. So you can watch it also. Right. Let's go to the next question. Consider 5x to the power of 3 plus 0.8x minus 6. Identify the terms in the expression. Underline the word terms. What do you mean by terms? 5x cube, comma, don't write plus. 0.8x, it's a term, comma, then minus 6. This is called terms. Next is what? Coefficient. Coefficient means in Arabic, mu'amal. So this is a mu'amal, this is a mu'amal. Is there any x here? No. So what is the coefficient? 5 and 0.8. You should not write x here. Keep in your mind. This is for x cube and this is for x. But when they ask mu'amal coefficients, you are not supposed to write x. Keep in your mind. Only for the terms you should write it. In the terms you should not use plus and you should use comma. Keep in your mind. Or in an easy way you write like this. 5x cube 1 by 1, 0.8x and negative 6. This is called terms. This is called what? Terms. Let me write in a proper manner. So terms and then coefficients. Suppose you have a confusion, always use a table model. What is terms? 5x cube, 0.8x and negative 6. What is coefficient? 5 and 0.8. There is nothing here because this is a constant term. There is no x here. Negative 6. Is it okay? 6 is clear? Right. Let me write in a proper manner. Sorry. This is negative 6. Right. Let's go for simplify the radical expression. Right. So let us write this question. Simplify what? Radical expression. Radical means what? Square root. Keep in your mind. Not only square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, everything. And already I told you square root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. Cube root is nothing but whole power 1 by 3. And now we have fifth root. So it is what? Whole power 1 by 5. Clear all of you? Right. So now the question is fifth root of x to the power of 5, y to the power of 35 and z to the power of 10. This is equal to x to the power of 5, y to the power of 35 and z to the power of 10. I open a bracket and I write 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what? It is multiplying. So x power 5 multiply by 1 by 5. Y power 35 multiply by 1 by 5. Z power 10 multiply by 1 by 5. So this equals x to the power of 5, 5 cancel, so 1. Y to the power of 35 cancel with 5, you will get 7. And z to the power of 10 cancel with this 5, you will get what? 2. Let me cancel 5, 5, 35, 5, 10, 5, you are getting cancelled. Okay, right. So this is going to become your answer. Do I need to put x to the power of 1, teacher? Not necessary. Okay, right. Rewrite the expression with positive exponents and simplify. Positive exponents means what? All your power should be positive. Keep in your mind. Power is positive. Because what do you mean by exponent? Exponent means in mathematically we call it as what? Power. Keep in your mind. Yes. What is the question? X to the power of minus 3, y to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 to the power of what? Minus 3. Right. How can I write this one? I can write x to the power of minus 3 to the power of minus 3, y to the power of minus 2 to the power of minus 3, and in the down also it will go 4 to the power of minus 3. Right. So this equals x to the power of minus 3 is how much? Plus 9. Y to the power of minus 2 minus 3 is how much? 6 divided by, right, 4 to the power of minus 3. Just keep it like this, then I will come to the next step. 4 to the power of minus 3. Right. So this equals, I will bring this 4 to the power of 3 to the numerator. It will come as what? 4 to the power of plus 3, x to the power of 9, y to the power of 6. What is 4 to the power of 3? You can use calculator or in the mind. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is what? 64, x to the power of 9, y to the power of 6. Clear all of you? Right. And what is the question? You are going to write with positive exponents. Look at here. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. So already this is in what? Positive power. No need to do anything. Suppose in case you have something like this, y power minus 6. You have to write it as 1 by y power 6. Why? This is negative power and this is what? Positive power. Clear everybody? Right. So it is not clear. Let me remove y power 6. Still it is not clear. Divided by y power 6. Next is write in scientific notation, write in decimal notation. I told you scientific notation, you should have a decimal point at least one number before that. For the decimal, not like that. Just moving the points as up to the 10 powers. Let us take this question. Negative 0.1234456. So the point is here, we are moving 1, 2, 3, 4 times we are moving. So this, not 4, sorry. You should be one number before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It should be here all the time. The point is one number before. So this is equal to negative 4.56 multiplied by 10 power. How many times we moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we moved. So 10 to the power of negative 5. Right? So it's going to the right. In the scientific notation, if it's going to the right, you have to put negative. Keep in your mind. Let's go to the next question, which is decimal notation. Right. Decimal notation, we are just moving the point 7.89 multiplied by 10 power 9. So in the decimal notation, if the power is positive, you have to move it to the right. So now I have to move how many times? 9 times I have to move. Okay, clear? Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your point is here. Don't consider this one. So remaining you put it 0. So 0, 0. Let me use another color. Oh, sorry. All gone. Huh? Okay. I'll do it again. No problem. So it's 1, 2, 3. Let me write again. 7.89 multiplied by 10 power 9, which is equal to 7.89. I'm moving. Just moving. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this point, don't touch it. Okay. Remaining points, you add 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or easily you can calculate in the mind. Already 2 points. So power 9. So how many zeros will come? 7. Right. So this equals, your answer is 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros you will get. Clear all of you? Right. So 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is called decimal notation and this is called scientific notation. Scientific notation means one number before the decimal. Keep in your mind. Let's go to the next question. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. This question, if you directly use the calculator, you will get the answer in one step. But in the exam, you are not supposed to write. You must do by steps. 4 steps I told you in the class, right? Let us go to step number 1. So 3 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3. First you use the bracket and use the bracket. You are going to multiply by its conjugate. What is the conjugate, teacher? If it is plus, you are going to put minus. If it is minus, you are going to put plus. So square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Use brackets, brackets, brackets. Brackets are very, very important. Otherwise, you will get wrong answers in the calculator. Now step number 2. What is step number 2? I told you, you have to put the numerator part in the calculator. Only the numerator part you have to put in the calculator. What is that? You're going to take the calculator, open the bracket, 3, close the bracket, put multiply symbol, open the bracket, square root of 2 minus square root of 3, close the bracket, and then press equal. If you press equal, you will get minus 3 times square root of 3 plus 3 times square root of 2 divided by, right. Now the next step is again close the calculator, that means press AC, right. Now you take this one and put it in the calculator as it is same manner. What is that? Minus 2 plus root 3. Yes, how to do? Bracket open, root 2 plus root 3, bracket close, root 2 minus root 3, bracket close. When you close this one and then press equal, you will get the answer minus 1. Now step number 3, okay. Step number 3, you are going to put all these things in the calculator together. So you will get what? 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2 you will get in the calculator. And step number 4, you can check your answer in the calculator. Check your answer only. Without steps, nobody will give you mark. Keep in your mind. If you write the answer directly, they will not give you full mark. You have to write all these steps. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. So this is the one. Rationalize the denominator. What do you mean by rationalize? It means I don't want irrational number in the denominator. Look here. Is there a denominator? Is there anything irrational number here? No, actually it's 1. So there is no irrational number. Right. The next question, write in standard form. What do you mean by standard form? I told you in the class, you're going to write from big power to small power. That is called what? Standard form. Big power to what? Small power. And the next is identify the degree. What do you mean by degree? Degree means big power number. Okay. What is leading coefficient? Coefficient means mu'amal. You know very well. Leading coefficient means leader mu'amal. Clear everybody? Leader mu'amal. Mu'amal is Arabic word. Leader mu'amal. So let's go to the solution. First question. Write in standard form. Which is the big power? This one is the big power. So x power 6. Next power minus 3x power 5. Next power, 3x power 5. Next power 7x square. Next one 4. Why teacher 4 you are not writing? 4 means it is x power 0. Keep in your mind. Okay. So 4 is not a big number. What is the coefficient? That you have to see it. So it is x power 0. No need to write it. So this is called what? Standard form. What do you mean by standard form? Standard form means big power to small power. Let me go for the next question, B. So B question is what? Degree. Degree means what? Big power. Who is the big power here? X power 6 is a big power. So degree is 6. Next, leading coefficient. Who is the leader? He is the leader. Mu'amal leader is 1. So leading coefficient is, you should use and because in the question it's written and. Leading coefficient. So leading coefficient is equal to 1. How teacher 1? Because you see here, he is the leader. X power 6 is the big power. Leader. Leader mu'amal is leading coefficient. So what is the leading coefficient? 1. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. The next question is we are going to simplify this, or you can say special product formula, whatever it is. But usually in the class we told us special product formula. What we said? Special product formula we said. What are the 3 formulas I teach you in the class? Special product formula. One is a plus b, a minus b, or I'll write first. A square minus b square is a minus b times a plus b. What is the second rule? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And what is a minus b whole square? Which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Please memorize this rule. Memorize. Memorize means what? Keep in your mind. Please keep in your mind. Very, very, very important. Okay, right. So let's go to the first question. The first question is x plus 12 and x minus 12. This is of the model what? A plus b times a minus b. What is a plus b times a minus b? Which is equal to a power 2 minus b power 2. What is a? A is equal to x. See here, it is x. What is b? What is that? B is equal to 12. Teacher, you did not take this side. Same, you see here, a is x and b is 12, right? So a is x to the power of 2 minus b is 12 to the power of 2, which is equal to x square minus 12 square. You put it in the calculator, you will get 144. Clear, everybody? Right. Let's go to the B question. The B question is, let me see that, sorry, 3x plus 4 the whole square. So B question is 3x plus 4 the whole square. This is of the model what? A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B whole square? Which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is equal to, what is in the place of A? A is equal to what? 3x. What is in the place of B? B is equal to what? 4. Right? Yes. So A square. What is A? 3x whole power 2 plus 2 times. What is A? 3x. What is B? 4. This is number 2. This is A and this is B. And then plus B power 2. What is B power 2? 4 power 2. So this equals, right, 3x power 2. 3x power 2 means what? It is 3x multiplied by 3x, right? Which is equal to 3 times 3 is what? 9. X times x is what? X to the power of 2. So this is 9x to the power of 2 plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. And then x plus 4 to the power of 2 is what? 16. Clear, all of you? Very, very easy. Right. Let's go to the C question. C question is 6 minus 5x the whole square. That's what I saw. Let me see again. Yes. 6 minus 5x the whole square. Okay. Right. So this is of the model what? This is of the model a minus b the whole power 2. What is a minus b whole power 2? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Right. Keep in your mind. Check. What is A? A is equal to 6. Check. What is B? B is 5x. Don't say negative 5x. This negative is in the rule. Keep in your mind. Don't say this B is negative 5x. Always you used to say what? Negative 5x. It is not like that. This minus belongs to the rule. So B is only 5x. Okay, everybody? Right. This equals A, 6 to the power of 2 minus 2A, 6. What is B? 5x plus what is B? B is 5x to the power of 2. So this equals 6 is what? 36 minus 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 5 is what? 60. So 60x plus 5x the whole power 2. This is the place where you make mistakes. It is 2 times 5x multiplied by what? 5x, which is equal to 5 5s are what? 25. X are what? 25x square. So this is 25x to the power of 2. Clear, all of you? Right. So this is the answer. 36 minus 60x plus 25x square. Next we go for factor. I told you factor and solution. The two English words I told you. Factor and solutions. Right. The two English words I told you is what? Factor and solutions. Okay. Suppose you get x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 3 in the calculator. This is called a solution. But how can you write the same as a factor? If it is plus 2, you write x minus 2. If it is plus 3, you write x minus 3. Suppose your x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to minus 5. How you write the factor? X plus means you write minus 5. And minus 5 means you write what? Plus 5. Okay, teacher. Suppose I get x1 equals 2 by 3 and x2 is equal to minus 2. How I will write? When it is in fractions, come from down. So you are going to write 3x. If it is plus here, you put minus. If it is minus, you put here plus. So 3x minus 2 and this is x minus 2. You are going to put it as x plus 2. So keep in your mind, this is called factor and this is called solutions. Either you can use this idea or you can use the special product formula. Okay, right. Let's go to the first question. The first question is x square minus 64. Can I write this as x to the power of 2 minus 8 to the power of 2? Yes, okay, no problem. This is of the model a power 2 minus b power 2. What is a power 2 minus b power 2? It is a minus b times a plus b. Clear all of you? What is a? A is x, b is what? 8. And a is x, b is 8. Look here, this is a and this is b. That's it. So it is x minus 8 times x plus 8. Teacher, can I use calculator? Yes, you can use. Come on, put it in the calculator. Mode, okay, and then 5 and then 3. So if you put in the calculator, it will ask A, B, C. What is A? A is mu'amal x square, which is 1. B is mu'amal x. What is x here? There is no x, 0. C, what is C? Rakam. Rakam means number. How much? Minus 64. So you put in the calculator 1, press 0, sorry 1, press equal, and then 0, press equal, and then press equal, you will get minus 64. So you will get x1 is equal to 8 and x2 is equal to negative 8. This is called solution. So you're going to write the factor. How you're going to write the factor? If it is 8, you write x minus 8. If it is minus 8, you write what? X plus 8. Clear all of you? Right. So using the formula is better, but still, if you are not able to do, then you can use the calculator and check it out. No problem. Oh, sorry. How many questions we have? 4 questions. Let's go to the next question. B question. Okay. Question B. Question B is 49 minus 16 z square. Right. This can be written as 49 can be written as what? 7 square minus 16 can be written as what? 4. Z square can be written as what? Z to the power of 2. So it is a square minus b square. What is a and b? A minus b times what? A plus b. So what is your a? A is equal to 7. What is your b? It's 4z. So what we are going to write it? The answer 7 minus 4 is z and 7 plus 4 is z. This is your answer. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question, which is C question. The C question is x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, this factor. Now you can go to the calculator. Yes. If you go to the calculator, mode, right, 5 and then 3. So mode 5, 3, it will ask you A, B, C. What is A? Mu'amal x square, 1. What is B? Mu'amal x. What is C? 9. 1, press equal, press equal, press equal. Your calculator gives, it is not x1, it is x only it will give. So when you get x in the calculator, write again one more time x equals 3. So this is called what? Solution. This is called what? Solution. But what is the question now? The question is factor. So if the question is factor, you're going to write it is plus 3, right? So you're going to write x minus 3. It is plus 3. So you're going to write x minus 3. So 2 times, don't stop it because here power 1, power 1. So you must write the step x minus 3 whole to the power of what? 2. Clear everybody? Right. Let's go to the D question. D question is 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Go to the calculator. It is mode 5, 3. So if you go to the calculator, it will ask A, B, C. What is your A now? Tell clearly. 16. What is your B? Negative, negative, negative. Don't make mistake. Negative. You always forget the minus sign. Keep in your mind. So negative 24 and the C is 9. So let me start also calculator because it's a big number. Let me start. 16 and then minus 24 and then 9. So if you press the calculator, you are getting the answer x equals 3 by 4. And x, it is not x1. So if it is not x1, you just write one more time. The same answer, not minus. Same answer. Look here, 3 and 3. Same answer, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. Same answer again. If the calculator gives x, if it gives x1, then look what is the answer, x2. Okay, right. So now this is called what? Solution. This is called what? Solution. Now we are going to write the factor. Come on, come from down. How you are going to write? It is 4x minus 3 because there is a plus and 4x minus 3. So 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 is what? 4x minus 3, the whole power what? 2. Clear all of you? Right. Very good. Yes, nice answer. Let's go to the next question. Wow, nice question. Domain. Yes, I told you already every time domain is a very, very important question. And we study three methods. How many methods we study? Three methods in the domain. If the denominator is like this, if the denominator is like this, if the numerator, if the numerator is like this, and if the numerator is if the expression is like this, so it means no jother in the denominator, jother in the numerator, jother in the denominator. You can say like this in easiest way. So there is no square root. Can you see that? And the square root is in the up, square root is in the down. Okay, right. If the square root is there, you need to remember greater than or equal to. If the square root is in the down, you remember greater than. If the no square root, you remember this symbol. That's it. Three things: not equal, more than or equal to, more than. That's it. Very simple. Okay, right. Let's go to the first question. 1 divided by 2x minus 5. Step number 1. I told you in the class 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That is step number 1. So 2x equals 5 goes that side, which is 5. Divided by 2 divided by 2. So x equals what? 5 over 2. So what happens? You have to write set builder notation. Curly braces. Set of all x belongs to R such that x, is there a square root here? No square root. If there is no square root, we are going to use what? Not equal. X not equal to 5 over 2. This is called domain. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. The next question is square root of x minus 4. So B question. So B question is square root of x minus 4. Step number 1. I write step number 1. This is step number 2. Okay. Right. Step number 1 is x minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to what? 4. Now step number 2 is what? We are going to write a domain. How we are going to write the domain? Flower bracket or curly braces. Set of all x belongs to R such that x, here is a jother, right? If it is a jother, more than or equal to 4. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question, which is C question. What is the C question? Let me go through again. 1 divided by square root of x plus 2. So 1 divided by square root of x plus 2. Yes, domain. I wrote it domain. Right. Now 1 divided by square root of x plus 2. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is you are going to find the value of x. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to what? Negative 2. Clear? So now we are going to write domain. So domain is equal to what? Set of all x belongs to R such that x, look here, there is a square root in the denominator. If there is a square root in the denominator, you just put only more than this number negative 2. This is domain. I think 3 methods. Please study very well. So definitely teachers, they will concentrate on domain. So domain is a very good question and easy to remember. Only 3 methods. Okay. Anything can be asked. Okay. Let's go for the next question. Find the distance between 2 points. So distance between what? 2, 5 and minus 3, minus 1. Every time we say distance formula, memorize. You don't memorize. Again, I'm telling, please memorize. Distance is equal to square roots. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Minus, minus, minus. Keep in your mind. This equals, this is your x1 and y1. This is your x2 and this is your y2. So, which is square root of, right, x2. What is x2? Minus 3 minus x1, which is 2 square, okay, plus y2, which is negative 1. y1, how much? Which is 5. So, negative 5 whole square. Don't do anything. Just take your calculator and carefully type this one. Usually you make mistakes. Put the full square root, then this one, and then finish, and then square like this, and then plus, and then open bracket, and then put like this, everything square like this. Carefully put it, okay? So you will get the answer square root of 61. I just put it in the calculator. Directly you can use 100% calculator for distance formula. Right. Next we'll go for what? Midpoint. Again I'm telling, what is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus, keep in your mind, plus. Always you use minus in the class. Okay. So keep in your mind x1 plus x2 over 2. Okay. Comma. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Easy formula. Only distance and what? The midpoint. So easy to remember this formula. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. So now this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, y2. Always remember, first point is x, second point is y. Okay, right. So midpoint, what we are going to do, we are going to put all these values. So x1, what is x1? Which is 4. And then what is x2? X2 is 10 divided by 2, comma. And then y1, which is negative 2. This is negative 2, right? I cannot able to see. Yes, yes, this is negative. I will put this one, negative 2. Okay, negative 2, and then plus y2. y2 is what? 6 divided by 2, and then close the bracket. So either you can use calculator, or in the center you have a comma. Keep in your mind, this is a comma, it's a coordinate. So don't put plus, don't put minus in the center. So put like this. I will use another color also so that you will not forget. This is a comma. Keep in your mind, just a comma. Right, 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 by 2 is going to become 7. Minus 2 plus 6 is what? Which is 4. 4 by 2 is what? 2. You can use calculator. So this is the formula for what? This is the question for what? Midpoint. Okay. So all these things are, I reviewed module 1. Everybody clear? Right? It's all okay or not? Module 1 is okay, right? All right. Now, all right, students, this completes our module 1 revision. Okay, all right, we have done everything, right? Module 1, all the questions we have done. So I hope the solutions were clear, right? After the video, I'm telling you, watch it, and then you have to sit and write with your pen. Mathematics never come by watching the video. You have to sit and solve the questions. Watch the video, the same question, you take it and solve it, and check your answers whether it's correct or not. Okay, and also please download the PDF from the link which is given in the description box and try all the questions again by yourself. If you have any doubt, send me a message or write in the comments. So the next video we are going to do the revision for module 2. So stay ready, right? All the best. Please work very hard. Okay, study well, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Dr. Zahir. See you. Bye bye.